Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. It's Tutorial Tuesday and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these stuffed cloth hearts made out of fabric strips. Use these quilted hearts for decorating your home for Valentine's Day or to fill up your tiered trays, bowls, and baskets any time of year. It's an easy project that goes together super fast and it's great for beginners too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. In my shop is where you'll find a written version of this project with the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and printable templates. It's also where you'll find my full collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns that you can download and print at home, making it easy to get started on your next sewing project right away. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips and a backing fabric, batting and fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, and the printable heart templates. First, place a fabric strip diagonally on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Don't have a long enough strip? Stitch your scraps together to make a longer strip. Place another strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on the long side of the strips and pin in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other. Pin in place and stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Continue adding fabric strips until you get to the corner of the batting. Turn the piece around and repeat the steps on the other side of the batting piece. Now flip the piece over and use the batting as a guide to trim away the excess strips. Place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Place the quilted piece on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the paper template to the front of the stack. Stitch the heart by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper and leave a section open at the side for stuffing, and then remove the template. Use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Then use the side opening to stuff the heart with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and stitch the side edge closed. Readjust the stuffing and, for a neater look, retrim the opening if desired. And just like that, just that fast, you have a quilted stuffed heart, great for using up those scraps and for decorating any time of year. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.